Here we have a big male lion at Lion Sand. He's coming over here to meet up with 3 females and 4 cubs.
He's like, I'm done.
But his stomach is so sore from all that meat. Now, she must be going into estrus. She's getting all flirtatious. Obviously not in the mood, huh?
Yeah.
She showed submissiveness. Again, he does that to assert his dominance. Show him. Looks like we missed it. See, all the cubs went straight to the tree, behind the tree, and now they're starting to come back.
Do they have to go up to the father?
We'll play with them at the right time.
It ain't now, he's thinking
Actually,
now.
Sitting around
the chances babies back. The males will be
around the cow.